Tonight, President Trump is touting his tough talk at the NATO summit for getting results. He wrote on Twitter that since last year, billions of additional dollars are being spent by the NATO countries, but he goes on to say that isn't nearly enough. Following his criticism at the meeting in Brussels, the UK announced that it will be sending an additional 400 soldiers to Afghanistan to fight alongside U.S. troops. But the president is also demanding all allies double what they pay into their own defense budgets. Tomorrow he continues his European tour by heading to London to meet with Queen Elizabeth, and then on Monday he'll sit down with Russian President Vladimir Putin.